Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today at Solvetic, we show you how to copy the link of a profile on Facebook PC. We start by entering the Facebook profile we want. Next, we go to the top address bar and select the URL that appears to then copy it. Finally, we will go to the application where we want and paste the link to share it. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.